How to recover deleted messages on Facebook. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right of the menu. After that, select the account center at the top. Once inside, under the account setting, choose your information and permission. Now select download your information to begin the process. From here, tap on download or transfer information. Afterward, choose a specific type of information from the option. At this point, only select the box next to the message and then tap next. Then select download to device as your preferred method. Moreover, choose your date range, your file format, and your media quality. Once everything is set, hit create file to submit your download request. Once the file has been created, hit download and enter your Facebook password to verify your identity and hit the download button again. Finally, your file will be saved to your device, and that's it. This is how to recover deleted messages on Facebook.